Today we're exploring El Molino de Tiagua, one of Lanzarote's traditional windmills. It's free and there's completely no one here, whereas if you go to the ones in the tourist locations, such as the Cactus Garden, it is just packed and you have to queue to go up. So some donations, guest book. So that must be the flower going in. So that's where I just came in, and that's the car park, that's free. Now on the top floor, this is probably where the wheat goes. I guess you spin this, which would generate this to spin or something. Grinding the flour. I don't really know the mechanics of this. And that's the big windmill outside. Overall, this windmill is pretty big and it's definitely worth visiting. If you go to the others, they only fit about 3 people at a time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!